So, Mr. Rahul, in this video, what we have to do is, there are some adjectives and some nouns. So, what you have to do is, you have to make the sentences in 3 tenses. Past and present and future. Okay? So, keep your volume up, be confident, and make sure that you are confident enough, right? Yes. Move on.
He is handsome, he is not handsome, is he handsome, is he not handsome, why is he handsome, why is he not handsome?
Very good.
He was handsome, he was not handsome, was he handsome, was he not handsome, why was he handsome, why was he not handsome?
Very good.
He will be handsome, he will not be handsome, will he be handsome, will he not be handsome, why will he be handsome, why will he not be
Very
handsome?
good.
She is beautiful, she is not beautiful, is she beautiful, is she not beautiful, why is she beautiful, why is she not beautiful? She was beautiful, she was not beautiful, was she beautiful, was she not beautiful, why was she beautiful, why was she not beautiful?
Very good.
She will be beautiful, she will not be beautiful, will she beautiful, will she be beautiful, will she not be beautiful, why will she beautiful, why will she not be beautiful?
Very good.
He is funny, he is not funny, is he funny?
Continue.
Why is he funny, why is he not funny? He was funny, he wasn't funny, was he funny, was he not funny, why was he funny, why was he not funny? He will be funny, he will not be funny, will he funny, will he not be funny, why will he funny, why will he be funny, why will he not be funny?
Very good.
He is well, he is not well, he is well, he is not well, is he not well, why is he well, why is he not well? He was well, he wasn't well, was he not well, why was he well, why was he not well? He will be well, he will not be well, will he be well, will he not be well, why will he be well, why will he not be well?
Very good. Good round of applause with this boy. कितना अच्छा लग रहा है ये practice करने पे?
Amazing sir.
Do you feel good? Yes. How was the confidence initially when you came here?
Sir कम ही था थोड़ा.
It was very less, right? So do you enjoy here learning all of these things? Okay. Good round of applause for this boy. मिलते हैं next video के अंदर. Thank you.